Hello and welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week we highlight new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week we have 3 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is OTC's lower arm prying tool. This tool is designed to allow technicians to easily move control arms and other components with the unique S-hook shape. Solid steel construction stands up to tough jobs and accepts pry bars up to 7/8 inches in diameter. Users can hook the open end around a control arm, slide the pry bar through the loop, and they'll pull directly on the control arm and not pry against nearby components. This is the Mac Tools 8-piece MACLASSIC Phillips screwdriver set, designed to deliver professional-grade performance and durability to users. Made in the USA, this set features legacy red hard handles for impact and torsional strength. Each screwdriver has a scalloped neck for enhanced control and precision. The squared handle design improves grip and torque, while the tip ID on the handle ensures quick identification. High alloy steel bars are custom treated and chrome plated for corrosion resistance. Precision machine tips provide deep, reliable screw engagement. The black oxide coating preserves tip pigment, offering more bite and reducing cam out. Finally, our last tool is the NEBO LEO Flex flashlight line, which offers 2 models, the LEO 800 Flex and the LEO 1800 Flex. The 800 Flex provides up to 800 lumens with a rechargeable battery life of up to 20 hours, and the 1800 Flex provides up to 1800 lumens with a rechargeable battery life of up to 10 hours. Each model also features a strobe mode, a magnetic base for hands-free use, an anodized aircraft-grade aluminum construction, and is IPX7 waterproof and impact resistant. In addition, the 1800 and 800 models have a 6x zoom. For maximum versatility, the Flex Power technology means each LEO flashlight can be powered by the included rechargeable battery or 3 AAA batteries. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and print issues by following the links below. See you next week.